Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Type S battery charger is probably one of the most essential tools for any car owner, ensuring your vehicle's power source remains reliable and ready for any journey, especially during those critical moments when a dead battery can leave you stranded. This device is designed to provide a quick and efficient charge, making it an indispensable gadget for maintaining your car's health and your peace of mind on the road. Number 5. NOCO Boost GB40 Jump Starter. Never get stranded again. This device provides 1000 amps of peak lithium power to instantly start dead batteries. It can deliver up to 20 starts per charge, handling engines up to 6.0 L gas and 3.0 L diesel. Our patented technology ensures spark-proof and reverse polarity protection. This means you can make foolproof connections to any 12V vehicle without worrying about sparks or wrong connections. It's also a portable power bank. Keep your smartphones, tablets, and other devices charged on the go. It recharges in just 3 hours, ensuring it's ready when you need it most. Navigate in the dark with ease. It features a precision-engineered 100-lumen LED with 7 light modes, including SOS and strobe. Perfect for repairs or emergencies. Despite its compact size, it's incredibly powerful. High-discharge lithium technology provides exceptional starting performance in a lightweight package, making it perfect for glove boxes and emergency kits. This device is built tough with rugged, IP65 rated housing. It's protected against water, dust, and impact, and includes high-conductivity clamps for maximum energy transfer. What we like. Instantly revive dead batteries with powerful lithium technology. It also doubles as a portable power bank for your devices and features a built-in flashlight for emergencies. If you're looking for peace of mind on the road, this is the one for you. What people say. It's March 2026 and I used it for the first time. There was at least a 6-month period where I did not charge it and I was a little concerned whether it was going to hold the charge. I charged it 2 months ago, it still has full charge, it was super simple to use and quick to jump a vehicle with a dead battery. It's compact but surprisingly powerful, I was able to jump a dead battery quickly without needing another vehicle. I love how straightforward and safe it feels to use, especially with the spark-proof connections and reverse polarity protection, which takes the stress out of it. It's also nice that it doubles as a portable charger and has a built-in light for emergencies. The power this little unit packs is quite impressive. It holds its charge in the coldest of weather, and has the power to jump a completely dead battery. It has a lot of great options for charging ports for phones and tablets, bright flashlights, and the amount of storage capacity is amazing for such a small package that can jump big V8s. Number 4. Fosmon Dual 2 Max Xbox Controller Charger. Tired of your controller dying at crucial moments? This charging station comes with 2 high-capacity rechargeable batteries, ensuring you always have power for endless gaming sessions. It's compatible with most Xbox controllers. Say goodbye to disposable batteries and save money. Each rechargeable battery provides an impressive 40 to 45 hours of playtime on a single charge. These batteries are SGS certified for safety and quality. Charging your controllers is as simple as placing them on the dock. The magnetic connectors ensure a perfect alignment for charging. It also keeps your controllers organized and easy to find when you're ready to play. This charging station features intelligent charging technology for protection against overheating and short circuits. It automatically stops charging when the batteries are full, and LED indicators show the charging status at a glance. Enjoy your gaming experience with confidence. This product is backed by a limited lifetime warranty, providing you with peace of mind and reliable support. What we like. Keep your gaming sessions uninterrupted with dual charging docks and long-lasting rechargeable batteries. Simply place your controllers on the dock for effortless charging. If you're a dedicated gamer who hates running out of power mid-game, this is your perfect companion. What people say. Came with the correct battery clips to use them on either the older Xbox controllers and the new models. The included battery packs, though a great size, 2200 mAh, they so far have been fantastic and no problems. For normal Xbox controllers, there is ample room to place 2 on the charging station with no interference or one blocking the other. Number 3. OREI American to European Plug Adapter, 2-pack. Heading to Europe? This adapter is your perfect travel companion. It allows you to easily use your American devices in countries like Germany and France. Designed for travelers, it's compact and fits easily into your bag. Simply plug in your dual-voltage chargers for your phone, laptop, or camera. This adapter converts your 2 or 3-prong American plug to a European round-pin plug. It's a straightforward solution for your charging needs abroad. Please remember, this is a plug adapter, not a voltage converter. It changes the plug shape but does not convert voltage, so ensure your devices are compatible with 220-240V. Rest assured, it's CE certified and comes with a 1-year warranty and lifetime support. Enjoy your travels with confidence. What we like. Easily power your devices in Europe with this compact adapter. It converts your American plugs to fit European outlets, perfect for dual-voltage chargers. If you travel frequently to countries like Germany or France and need to charge your phone or laptop, this adapter is a must-have. What people say. It functions perfectly, allowing for use of that extra outlet in most cruise cabins. They all take a little effort to pull apart, which is what you'd want in such an item. These adapters are grounded, which means that your gear will be grounded in a properly grounded foreign wall plug. Number 2. Fosmon 5280 mAh Rechargeable Battery Charger Kit for Xbox. Tired of constantly buying disposable batteries for your controller? Switch to our high-capacity rechargeable batteries and save hundreds of dollars and countless AA batteries. They're compatible with the latest Xbox Series XS and older models too. Don't let a dead controller ruin your game. These extended life rechargeable batteries offer up to 40 hours of playtime per battery. With a full charge taking only 4.5 hours, your gaming sessions will never be cut short again. Keep the action going with our dual charging station. It allows you to charge 2 batteries simultaneously, ensuring you always have a backup ready. Simply connect it to your console or any USB power source. Rest easy knowing our charging dock and batteries are certified for safety. They feature overcharge and overcurrent protection, extending their lifespan to over 1,000 charge cycles. The LED indicator shows charging status at a glance. We stand by our product. This charging kit comes with a limited lifetime warranty, ensuring your investment is protected. Visit our website for more details. What we like. Save money and hassle with these high-capacity rechargeable batteries for your Xbox controllers. The dual charging station ensures you always have a fresh battery ready. If you're tired of buying disposable batteries and want a safe, reliable solution for extended gaming, this kit is ideal. What people say. The charging speed is great too. For me, I charge it off my Xbox Series S then an outlet, so the charging speed may vary, but off my Xbox it takes like 2 hours to fully charge them and get up to 4-day battery life based on my usage. So far it has lasted way longer than regular batteries on a single charge. It has a light, it charges fast, and the batteries last forever, not exaggerating. After going through other brands that lasted hours, I can play for days with these. Number 1. TESSAN Type G Travel Adapter. Never worry about incompatible plugs again. This adapter is your perfect companion for international travel, ensuring you stay connected wherever you go. From London to Dubai, this adapter works in numerous countries. It's designed to be your go-to power solution for a wide range of destinations. Power up to 7 devices at once with its multiple outlets and USB ports. It's ideal for travelers, business professionals, and students alike. Featuring both USB-A and USB-C ports, it offers fast charging for all your essential gadgets. Get the power you need, quickly and efficiently. Its compact and lightweight design makes it incredibly portable. Easily slip it into your pocket or bag without adding bulk, perfect for any journey. This adapter supports a wide voltage range, making it suitable for most of your electronics. Just ensure your high-power devices are also wide voltage compatible. What we like. This versatile adapter transforms a single UK outlet into 4, plus 3 USB ports, including USB-C. Its compact design makes it easy to pack for any trip. If you're traveling to the UK or other Type G countries and need to charge multiple devices simultaneously, this adapter is incredibly convenient. What people say. Multiple USB ports. Most of the items I bring on my trips abroad are all USB based, so even in situations where there was only one convenient plug, I could charge my phone, my tablet and my watch all at the same time. Compact. The other adapters I have were humongous, which I understood, but for this trip, I needed to have the smallest footprint possible. This fit the bill. It connected securely to the wall sockets and allowed me to charge my phone, camera, etc. with no issues. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.